Christina Morales, BIO230, March 2nd, 2018, cow eye dissection. Here's the cornea. Here's the optic nerve. The cornea is the outermost layer of the eye and is primarily responsible for focusing the light that comes into our eyes. I already made a prior incision into the cornea, but I'm going to continue so we can be able to see the insides. In the center is the pupil, and the pupil is the black part in the circle in the center of the eye, and its primary function is to monitor the amount of light that comes into the eye. And then around it is the colored part of the eye, which is known as the iris. And then further around the eye, after the iris, is the sclera. And its main function is to provide strength, structure, and protection for the eye. I'm now going to cut the eye into an anterior and posterior portion. Here we have the vitreous chamber, and this gel-like substance is known as the vitreous humor, and that helps to keep the eyeball in its proper circular shape. And if you to take it out, and back here is the retina, and the retina is the area at the back of the eye that receives visual message from the front of the eye, and it transmits that visual message to the brain using electrical signals. So going back, I'm going to now scoop the iris and the lens out of the eye. It's not very visible, but this is the iris. I'm sorry, this is the lens, which is behind the pupil. And that concludes my dissection.